Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best baby splash mats that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best baby splash mats. It's only a matter of time till your child decides to express their inner Jackson Pollock and fling their breakfast all over the kitchen. Well, they have the time of their lives, so you need a splash mats. Here are our top 5 baby splash mats. Number 5. Bumpkins Waterproof Splat Mat. This 42-inch square mat is thin, making it easy to use either at home or on the go. That's great for moms who like to do some traveling with their baby along for the ride. Main features. It is square, which will fit in more spaces. It's thin and portable. It is machine washable. Number 4. Sugarbooger Jumbo Floor Splat Mat. This mat is a 42-inch square, which means it's small enough to fit into a variety of spaces, or the edges could be folded under to fit in. Main features. It has a square shape, which is versatile. It comes with a zippered pouch. It can be wiped clean. Number 3. Whoa Baby Splat Mat. The world is wide and you should be able to enjoy it with your children. Take this mat with you to keep things clean. It's got multiple uses so you can protect floors. Main features. Including floors and tables. Anti-slip backing keeps the mat firmly in place. Fun design will delight kids. Number 2. Prince Lionheart Multi-Purpose Catchall. This cute mat is petite and will fit small spaces. It can be wiped off with a sponge or tossed in the washing machine for easy cleanup, which is something every busy mom should appreciate. Main features. It will fit in smaller spaces. It's machine washable. It is portable. Number 1. Children's Factory Rectangular Splash Mat. At 50 inches by 72 inches, this splash mat will keep all of the messes off of your floor. It may be too large for some spaces. However, since it's square, you could potentially fold it to fit your space. Main feature. It is large. It can be trimmed for a custom fit. It's durable. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.